What is up, guys? Welcome back to Slick Garage. What is up, guys? It's your boy Kano, and welcome back to Slick Garage. Guys, by the title of the video, y'all can tell we're going to be doing some LED lights on the truck. As I bought the truck, the cluster is, can't tell. I know it's pink or purple, one or the two, or like a weird mixture of the two. I don't know. But we got some regular white LED lights right here. Man, it's cold outside, guys. It's like 30 degrees, as y'all can tell. Your boy nippling a little bit. But yeah, I'm like, man, what can I do? I haven't made a video. You know, I did order some parts, guys, so I should be getting them tomorrow. So we got another video coming up for that, but that's for later. So right now, I'm like, man, let me take care of these pink purple LED lights on the cluster. And I ordered a bunch of LED lights, just regular T10s or 196s, I believe they're called, but I just call them T10s. So let's go ahead and take care of this cluster issue. And then I want to install a couple other little things that I got. So let's get going. All right, guys. So let me explain this as best as possible, guys. You have 3 lights on each side of the cluster that are for illumination, right? As you can tell, these 3. If you look at it closely, it says ILL, illumination. That one don't say it, but it's, oh, there it is on the side. Illumination. They all say illumination. So this is a factory bulb the way they come, right? These truck already had LED lights, so I didn't have to buy the socket, the sockets, whatever. So this is the original OEM connector right here, little light connector. Now, if you could tell right there where the wires are at, that's where the light bulb goes in, and it bends right there. Now, these have these little tabs right here. This little tab right here, this little chrome tab, and that's what makes contact with this, with the copper, top or bottom. So you put it in. And you screw it, and it makes contact, right? I didn't turn it all the way there, but it makes contact with that. You guys can tell the wear from them being OEM. So these are the kind of connectors that you want. These right here. This one, you can tell where the light slides in there, and it has the little, it's the same exact thing, but this one takes LED lights. The problem that we have here is that the LED lights have a positive side and a negative side. And if you put it in there, let's just say, for example, I'm not sure, let's just say the top is positive, and you were to put this on the light socket, put it in there and twist it, and positive on the LED will end up on the bottom one. On the opposite side, that LED light is not going to turn on. So the way that what we're going to do is I'm going to put the white LED light on the socket, and I'm going to go light by light. I'm going to put the LED light on there, put it, twist it, put the cluster on there, and see if that light turns on. I got this up here just so, you know, I block sunlight, and we're able to see if it turns on. So I'm going to go light by light. I'm going to put in one, put it, set it. Let me give you guys an example. I'm going to put it in there, set it. Now, let's say it does turn on. So when it does turn on, I'm going to come back, and I'm going to make a mark on it. I'm going to make a mark on this and a mark on this, you know, saying like that's the orientation that the light goes in. And then I'm going to take that light out and do the next light. And then once I know the orientation to all of them and what way they go, then we'll put them all back together. I hope that was not confusing, but let's get it. All right, so plain and simple, like I told you guys, we're going to start off with this one right here. We already got the white LED light on there. I'm going to twist it on there. And we're going to come back over here. Okay, there we go. Let's see if it's going to turn on. And I don't think it did. I don't see nothing on. So let's switch the orientation on it. So we're going to go one full turn. Right back in. I'm going to turn the lights off just to make sure I don't have no freaking shorts or something. And I'm going to blow a fuse or something. So let's go back in. We're connected. And there we go. You see it lit up? Right here, that whole section's lit up right here. I don't know if your camera can tell good or not, but it's lit up for sure. So we know that one's good. Let's put another one on. Now here's what I'm talking about for this. So we're gonna come in. We know this one works. So we're gonna mark here, little line, and a little line here. And we know this one works. That's just me being extra. I did 1 dot and 1 dot. The next one we'll do line, line, 2 dots, 2 dots, just to make sure I'm good. I don't want to be messing with this thing. So we take it off. We know that one's good. Put it over there. And we're going to do the next one. And so on and so forth. I know it's kind of BS and it's tedious. Turn off the lights. This is just, there's probably a better way, or if you take the whole cluster apart, but I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to take the cluster phase off and everything, because then I do want to get needles, aftermarket needles later on, so we'll see how that goes. And then I'll take everything off. So that did not turn on. Nothing turned on. It should have been over here on this side. So turn off the lights. I'm just going to show you this last one, guys, and then I'm going to just finish up the rest. That way I don't get you guys bored. So twist it completely. Bam. There we go. There we go. So there we go. As you guys can tell, that's on. So the other one lit up all this right here. This one's lighting up this bottom, and then I believe the next one's gonna be like this bottom part, and then the other side. So we're done with this one. I'm gonna just show you guys how to mark this one again. Like I said, I'm just being extra, and I'm making this, trying to do this so you guys can just, I don't know. There's different ways of doing things. This is how I do it. So 2 dots. 2 dots, 2 dots, the line and the line, and we're done. Pull this bad boy off. We know that's light number 2. So light number 1, 2, and 3, and then we'll do the same thing for this side. I'm gonna do 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots. All right, so 6 lights in total. I don't want to be, imagine if I sat there and did 6 dots. That's crazy. So I would just do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'll just keep them separated in another little pile over here when I do the other 3 for the left side. So let me finish it up. Well, there we go, guys. We got all the lights on. One side and the other side completely done. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how it looks whenever it gets completely dark outside, which it should be in a couple hours. So let's get going and put the, I'm going to try to do the LED lights on the door panels. Let's see if we can do that. I also want to do the ones that are underneath the dashboard. And we're also changing out that handle that's broken, the hood latch handle. I got a replacement for it, and it's already a little bit dirty, but yeah, let's get going. Well, this one's pretty straightforward. I'm pretty sure everybody knows where it's at, but in case maybe yours could be bad and you didn't even know I had one there. So right here, right underneath, right by the OBD2, right here at the bottom, it's right there. So that one's pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and swap it out with the LED and make sure it turns on, because it applies the same thing. It has to be in the same orientation. So And there we go, guys. If you're wondering where I got this one, I got it from Rock Auto. I think it was like $7. Is it gonna last forever? No. That I want to spend $60 for a billet one? Hell no. So $7 it is. It works good, and that's done. So guys, I tried changing these lights out, and apparently we have some kind of short. I'm not sure what's going on. Maybe it was that water leak that the truck had from the windshield and something's not connected or whatever. But and then that one works. This one doesn't work. These don't work either. I don't know, there's some kind of short going on. I need to check fuses, so we'll just leave this for another day. It's finally dark, guys, and I want to show you guys the lights. Don't judge my old truck noises when I open the door. Now we need to take care of that. There's the pins and the little roller. All right, so here goes nothing. Bam. There we go. And then bam. So here we have all the doors, as you guys can tell. Door. And then the ones that go underneath. And then the cluster. I do know, guys, that, my bad, just turned it off for the noise. I do know that where the numbers are at, like the face of the cluster or whatever, it has like a tint in the back of it that I know people take off just the plastic face of it. You turn it around and then they sand down or scrape down all that green material so it can be, so that color don't transparent. I mean, I don't know how good you guys can see it from there or not, but it does have a slight of a like greenish tint, you know what I mean? So we got way more shit to do. We still got all this, a lot more LED stuff to do, but this is just the beginning. Like I said, I just wanted to make a little video on doing the cluster. So, oh, I almost forgot. And here we have the license plate. It looks a little bit better, you know, better than the old yellow lights. And guys, with that being said, it is freaking cold. It's dark. It's Sunday. I work tomorrow. It's supposed to get down to, I forgot, 20 something, 27, 28 tomorrow. And then we're supposed to have snow on Tuesday. I already got the shipment for the next video that we're doing, so that's going to be exciting. We got a couple little boxes here for next video, and then we got a big box that just got here from Amazon. That's like literally like 30 minutes ago. Like I said, guys, I will be putting down everything on the description of the video. I'll be putting down a link to the little sockets for the LED lights and also some LED lights, I guess. Like I said, the LED lights are simple. It's just a T10 or a 194, and that's it. So I'll catch you guys on the next video, man. Thanks for watching. You guys stay safe out there with this snow and all this crazy stuff going on, man. Y'all have a blessed one, guys. Thanks for watching.